So Nirvardhan is the scriptwriter and all other prominent persons as director, and therefore with respect to the history of Goa freedom struggle, this film will be an eye-opener, because people's involvement at that time, how that 2 days Goan people went through, all these things are going to be published. And, in the Portugal language, English language and Konkani language they are doing. That is what I know. And he is concerned. 2 times he got national award for scripts in film, but nobody knows about it. Even I was working with him only the later stage I came to know about it. And our honorable MLA, Ms. Lobo, she is very much interested to promote film and other activities, and that's why I have used the word eye-opener. So through that process, what was the importance of Goan freedom struggle, and what was the words used by Ramanohar Lohia in 1946. These are things to be, I think it should be part of the Indian freedom struggle. Due consideration was not given to this Goan agitation and French against French in Pondicherry, Mahi and other situations. So it should come at least the mainstream history of India. There was an effort, and Ms. Lobo is very much interested. From her speech, I now understand that it is interested. Nirvardhan and others are thus. I hope I wish all the best for this effort.